Here's how to turn off the sensitive content filter on Telegram. Now open up Telegram on your iPhone, Android, or computer. The first thing we need to do is check your age in the Telegram app. So you can see here, birthday. You're going to enter in your birthday here. Keep in mind you need to be 18 plus to be able to disable or turn off that sensitive content filter. After you've entered in your birthday, whatever it may be, and you hit done at the top right here, we need to actually hop out of here because you can't do it in the app. You need to open up a web browser like Safari, Chrome, doesn't really matter. So open up a web browser and we're going to go directly to Telegram's website, which is web.telegram.org. Now, of course, you'll need to log into your account. So just enter in your phone number, get the code texted to you, all of that stuff. Now we can go through and change it in the settings on the website-based version. All we need to do is find where it says show 18 plus content. Now keep in mind, if that is unchecked, then it will prevent you from being able to see any adult content, but just check it and then close out of everything, maybe open the Telegram app back up again, and you'll be able to disable the filter and see all content you want.